Namaste everyone, hope you all are doing good. From couple of days, few of you are asking me about how we can practice the Chakrasana at home if we don't have any guidance in this quarantine time, and also how much time it will take to get into the complete posture of Chakrasana. I thought to make a small video on it just to reply all of your questions. So before trying out the Chakrasana, I will teach you few of the preparatory practices that will surely help you to easily get into the posture. So first understand, as most of the people think that doing the Chakrasana practice needs only the spine flexibility. I must tell you which is not the complete truth regarding it. Now some of you might be thinking of what else is needed then. So in this video, I will be teaching you what is actually needed to do before attempting the Chakrasana practice. So stay tuned with me. Now let's get started. There are two major things you need to work upon before actually attempting the Chakrasana practice. The first one is the mobility part. Yes, you need to mobilize the joints of your body, especially the joints of your upper body limbs like your shoulders, your elbows and the wrists. Now why you need this mobility part? Because it actually helps you to move the body, open up the joints in all possible ways or directions. Now the second major part is the strengthening of the muscles. If you are a beginner and you want to practice the Chakrasana, you need to work upon the strengthening of the arms also, because it actually helps you to lift the body from the ground, to lift your torso from the ground. So work on the strengthening exercises as well. Now in the strengthening part comes the strengthening of the few muscle groups. That includes the muscles of our neck, upper back, middle back, lower back and the muscles of our hips. So till now I am not using any scientific terms so that everyone can understand them. Now the question arises, why we need to strengthen those few muscle groups? The very simple answer can be that it actually prevents our body from getting injured while we are practicing the complete posture of Chakrasana. So now answering your question that how much time it will take to learn the Chakrasana posture, I must tell you this depends only upon your consistency with the practice. So if you are consistent with your practice, hardly it will take 7 days to learn the technique of the Chakrasana. For now, I think I have covered all the major things in this video which I really wanted to share with you all before actually teaching the preparatory exercises of Chakrasana. So just stay tuned with me and wait for my next video where I will be teaching you how to practice Chakrasana and what are the preparatory exercises before actually trying the Chakrasana. And now I wanted to thank you all for having that patience to watch this video till the end. And if you want me to share my knowledge with you all like this, subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon right next to it so that you can get the notification when I will post my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, stay at home and enjoy this quarantine time, which is actually the family time. Take care of yourself, take care of your family members. Namaste.